Here I am Khushi to give you a brief introduction about blood groups. So first of all, types of blood groups. There are four types of blood groups: Group A, Group B, Group AB and Group O. Group A produces antibodies against B. Group B produces antibodies against A. Group AB produces no antibodies, while Group O produces antibodies against A as well as B. Now, blood groups also have antigens. Antigens is any substance to which the immune system responds. So, Group A have antigen A and Group B have antigen B. Group AB have both antigens A as well as B, while Group O do not have any antigen at all. Human blood group is further classified on the basis of Rh factor. It is a protein that is present on the surface of red blood cell. If blood have this protein, then the blood is said to be positive, otherwise negative. So there are 8 further types of blood groups, that is O positive and O negative, A positive and A negative, B positive and B negative, AB positive and AB negative. So now question arises about the compatibility of blood. Here is a chart which shows that a person having blood group O can donate his blood to anyone. So that's why a person having blood group O is known as universal donor. While AB can receive blood from anyone, so that's why AB blood group is known as universal recipient. Blood group compatibility is very important. If incompatible bloods get mixed up with each other, it can cause severe problems. One such condition is erythroblastosis fetalis. This condition occurs when mother is Rh negative and fetus is Rh positive. So during the first pregnancy with the Rh positive fetus, red blood cells that contain Rh positive protein enters into the mother circulations. Anti-Rh antibodies are produced upon the exposures to the fetal's Rh antigens. Anti-Rh antibodies remains in the mother circulation and crosses placenta. For a long time, this anti-Rh antibodies remains in mother circulation. And this dangerous condition occur when the same mother is have second pregnancy with the again Rh positive fetus. Then maternal anti-Rh antibodies attack the fetus and destroy the fetal Rh and causes hemolysis in the fetus, and this can cause miscarriage or even the death of the mother. This condition is known as erythroblastosis fetalis. So, to avoid this condition, women is treated with anti-Rh antibody treatment just after the first pregnancy with Rh positive fetus. Mother injected with Rhode immune globin during pregnancy. So when Rh positive red blood cells enters into the mother circulation, the anti-Rh antibodies bind and it inactivates the fetal Rh antigens before they stimulates immune response in mother. So by this treatment, both mothers and fetus become safe just during second pregnancy. It is duty of every healthy human to donate his blood so that he can save number of lives. Even donating bloods benefits the donor also. Here are some benefits of donating blood. Donating blood improves health heart. It enhances the production of blood. Donating blood even burns the calories. It also reduces cancer risk. Donating bloods help in maintaining iron level in the body. Donating blood also reduces overweight, so it makes a person fit. Or donating blood is also helpful for saving number of lives. But before the transfusion of blood, number of precautions should be taken. So, precautions to be taken before the transfusion of blood are: first, donor should be healthy, that is, he or she should not have any disease like STD, that is, sexually transmitted disease like syphilis, and he should not be infected with viral disease such as hepatitis and AIDS. Second thing is that only compatible bloods must be transfused. And third thing is that before transfusion of blood, both matching and cross matching must be done. And before the transfusion of blood, RH compatibility must be confirmed also. So in this way we can make a healthy society.